Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. The people of Uzebu community for Benin City for Edo State, they call the Inspector General of Police because of the unjust arrest and detention of their chairman, Fidelis Owen. They say no more less, they oppress them. This same no more less beat police in front of court because of their matter. Make I leave you, make you hear from the people of Uzebu.
Good afternoon, good morning everybody. My name is Kingsley Ayore Ogunesi. I'm a son of Uzebu community. I think on the 15th of this month, 16 or 15, one of those today, we were in first CID at Abuja over the invitation that was received by the secretary to the community of Uzebu community to come and tell the DIG how a policeman, thinking is an inspector by name, Victor by name, was assaulted in a high court of Benin by one Osakpamwan, Eriyo, no more less. We all witnessed the scene that very day how the policeman was brutally beaten, bruises all over his body. He took the intervention of the commoners to rescue the police from that scene. And all police officers with arms that was assigned to Inspector Victor for that matter was there just holding their hands looking at a civilian beating up a policeman in the presence of the. So after the rescue, the policeman has said we should lead him to the divisional station that is in charge of those areas. We drove the policeman down to Abuja police station while he laid his report. From there, he went to the CP to report the matter to the commissioner of police of those states. He went to the police clinic to treat himself. From there, the man moved back to Abuja, report back to his office in Abuja. Then after he to have his way, our brother was detained for 2 days. After the AIG investigation, they went to the court, they went to the police station, they went to the divisional station. They saw that everything he said was a lie. They have to release our brother to come home. That the case reported against this man was false. The man that came home. They were doing our normal business. Before our secretary of the community called on us that he got a call from the office of the DIG Abuja for CID that he should come out testify over the beating of a police. That's okay, we cannot just leave you alone to go. The elders of the community now delegate 3 other people to follow him to Abuja, including me that is talking. We followed him to Abuja. We got to the office on the 16th, 15th, precisely on the 15th of this month. As we got to the office, we saw Osakpamwan molest with a black bag. We went inside the office of the CP. We were about following him. The office said we should stay back. They spent about 1 hour talking. They called on us. The next thing the man said, the case that has been in court since 2021, that the case will start all over again, and we should give him a statement. The man said, why? The law in question is already being contested in court in Benin. We brought out the suit number, we showed the CP. Said he's not interested, that the case will be looked all over again. We said, okay. The criminal charge against Osakpamwan molest in the High Court that resulted in the beating of the policeman that was sent from 4th CID Abuja. He said that case will be revisited. He said, okay. He said we should go and give him statement. He said, there's no statement we will give you. He said they should take us out from his office. We should go and give statement. which were giving statement. They came out from the office. The bag that was filled up was not empty, was not flat. The next thing I saw my elder brother, born of the same father, Frank Ayo Odudeze. President Osakpamwan no molest, no molestation, no molestation. I told my secretary, I said, look at what is happening. It's like these people also have their will. The next thing, the people that was taking the record, I was taking our statement, just received a call. He said an order has been given that we should be detained. I said, for what? So we came to Benin. We came from Benin to honor just a phone call from the office of the DIG, First Headquarters. Say, we have not committed any crime in which we can be detained. They did not listen to us. They threw us inside the cell. We were there for 5 days. After 5 days, on Monday of it, the following week, he just called my name and other names. The next thing, we thought we were going home. It was an handcuff in our hand. They said we are going to court. And I said, okay, if you are taking us to court, which offense are you charging us for? They said when we get to court, we said, no, our lawyer is not here. We have a right as a Nigerian citizen to notify our lawyer before you can take us to any court. So the reason why we came to Abuja, we don't commit a crime in Abuja, we don't reside in Abuja. Something that happens in Benin City, Edo State. Why are you taking us to court in Abuja? He said when we get to court, we will explain to the judge. We got to court. As God will have it, the charge, they brought out the charge. My name was not included on that charge sheet, and they brought before the magistrate. And my brother Fedosa's name was not also included. The police counsel stood up and said, my lord, we have some observations to make, some corrections. That there's a mistake, that the lordship should grant them the permission to correct it with corrective fluid, that names are missing. Initially, the names of the people that they read to us was Fidelis Owen, Sunday Ekboma, Victor Omorogbe, and Martins Obakolo. And those are the cases, and those are the people that has been in trial since 2021. And on the 8th of this month, the High Court, the Magistrate Court in Benin, Magistrate Court 1, strike out that case. On the 8th of this month, that case was struck out. Since 2021, the case was struck out. And the case was revisited on us unlawfully in Abuja. And they took us to court. They took me for the place of Victor Omorogbe, and they took Dosa for the place of Martin Sobapolo, and they took us to court. As God may have it, and the magistrate there was a God-fearing person. He looked at the charge, he said, we have right for bail. Our lawyer should give an oral application for bail, on which the lawyer did. And the God who never sleep or slumber granted us that bail. We were unable permitted to the demand of the condition of the bail. The judge asked them to take us to the correctional center, of which the same policeman that brought us from 4 CID took us all the way to Nasarawa State and locked us up in Kuje prison, Kefi, and locked us in Kefi. So we were there. There's no means to reach our people here, our brothers, our wives, our children. There was no means. But as God will have it, our lawyer was not able to perfect the conditions of the bail. We were not allowed to go out of that prison the day before yesterday. It was yesterday 1 o'clock we arrived here in our community, Edo State. So while we were there, they were planning of how to dethrone the leadership of Comrade Fidelis Owen. The reason why they are doing this, because they knew that is the only one that is financing the case in court, is the only one that is capable to finance it. They know that when they destroy it, all those cases will be rubbish. When we were also in first headquarters, first CID, we saw our supposed Ojowere Afero Biefo with a white agbada with one of his sons. Follow the same no more less to the DIG's office and the home Babatunde Rani, who is not a believer, who claimed to be the head of a street. We saw them. So the thing that baffles us, how can we just allow this to slip off? Before we came back home, the youth of the community that God will bless, they all stood their ground. That a long way, the leadership of Fidelis was controlled in that sense. They said no way. It is better the first CID should come and kill everybody of the Zebu community. And their prayer was helped by God. That is the reason why we came. We decided to call on the elders. I said, this is what our supposed John Way have done. He has been brought over by no more less because he's a hungry man. But today, the elders and the youth of Zebu, we are saying that today we have come to tell the world and our royal father, the honor of the king, that we, the children of Zebu, are not subject to our friend Omo Ogeba Ogefo again. He is under suspension and he will never be more.
We are here this morning to let the entire Uzebu know, to let Uzebu and the entire world know what our Ojongwere has done to us. In the history of Uzebu, we have never seen such a thing. What surprises us most was our Okaigele and some of our boys were invited to Abuja to come and testify what they know about the matter that happened at High Court meeting on the 28th of September, where no more less picked up a policeman from F4 CID Abuja, right in court premises. We were all there that day. It was just by the grace of God that he was able to escape. We went to report the matter at State CID. We went to Abuja Police Division, including the very policeman that he did. Then thereafter, he was asked to go to the police quoted hospital for treatment. After treatment, a medical certificate was issued as such. That was how our people were invited to Abuja to come and testify, to bear witness exactly what happened. To our greatest surprise, we were told that the Ojongwere came with one Mr. Babatunde Raimi, who has been an enemy of this community, including no molest. That we were surprised he was calling our people were charged as an armed robber. threat to life. They were charged of armed robbery, threat to life, and others I cannot just remember now. So to our own greatest surprise that Odionwere, the man we call our own Odionwere here, went to Abuja to go and prosecute our people. So as a result of this, in the entire history of Izebu, we haven't seen all these things. It's something that really surprised the whole elders and all members of the Izebu community. This is one of the reasons why we call this meeting, and we are using this medium to tell the world that Alfred Omoroge Bangefo, the Odionwere of Izebu, of the High sorry, has been suspended indefinitely. But if that is the house of the we carry on the affairs of Izebu people.
Sylvester Alabi, DIG of 4 CID Abuja, and CP Marshall Olatunde, and YSP Frank Chukwuemeka. We are called for interview the 15th of November, which we were not interviewed. They took us to go and write statement without no petition. Without no petition. We were detained forcefully. Because we had an information that Eriyo went to give the DIG $5 million. Yes. That is why we were detained for 5 days on justice. When the IG and the presidency and the National Assembly to be aware that the injustice by the DIG, Sylvester Alabi, done to myself and the organization community and 2 others. We are supposed to charge to God. But to God to have it, they are granted me. After the more we are so disappointed at him. Because Osakpamwan went to give me 500,000 naira. He followed you to Abuja. A man who has been fighting you. He was the same man. Osakpamwan had today that I need drag you to the palace. When the Oba Abini said there is no Odionwere in the hangman. And ever since Oba Abini said there is no Odionwere in the hangman, we asked you to go and apologize to the Oba Abini, which you said no. You said if Oba Abini want to look at you the same way he's looking at Chief Ezomo, that you will take him to court. That is why the judge and I go come and lay forceful accusation against. Mic check. Original. Mic check. Come on, okay, sir.
Anyway, why I go yo? Why I feel that I may Mr. Either that the house I will let no mana. If not soon, my case soon was a good idea. My son will have going man. I mean, animal I have I no kind thing. My hair here. Ọma lórí ọbẹ̀ kéna ayé ọ̀bẹ òpa lórí ọbẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ náà ayé ọ̀bẹ bí òpa asọ ní àyíbá lórí kààbọ̀ máa wà kààbọ̀ gun àkààbọ̀ náà ọ̀ èbé náyà gbẹ̀lẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ náyà gbẹ̀lẹ̀ tẹlifíṣọ̀n bíbá rédíò ìjọ tààlàjà rẹ̀ dẹ́rìọ̀ òdòdí pẹ́jẹ́ ní ìpẹ́rìsì ní ayé tẹ̀mẹ́lì. And where Mr. Fidelis Owen, no carry log, Usabu community now. I'm Abuja, where here, or carry Usabu community now. Oh, you know, Fidelis Owen, your carry Usabu community. I didn't want I bet if my name was happening. Obusebu, Mama Yoboyo. So, Baba Nadia, Oriu, in Madoya, Marania, with Sebuna. Emi asunubebo, aitamebo. Ebo itubana igbayo. So ọjọ́ wo ẹ máa dání mà yìí ọmọ dání mà ọ̀sáàbà àjọ wọn kọ̀ ọjọ́ làrí òrà ìdí orí ẹ̀gídé náà ní ebe ní agbẹ́ ní Mr. Babatunde Lami ọ̀nàkà sáni bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn yẹn náà lọ sáì òtó tọ̀ lè lẹ́ akẹ́jọ́ bí one Mr. Abu Dixon ọ̀nà lọ sáì wẹ́ ìyọ̀rí ọ́ní wí àti ọjọ́ wo ọ̀rẹ́ wíwé bò. So Baba Nadia, ebe ni agbe, mane ni wa mama yo boyo kaka. So if my idea if you are ni awe, ma ma ki o ni o. Eni wa ni Usebu e o ki. Ni e wa le han ni Usebu e. Ni ani go do yan na ya adu akini. E mo bo we kini na adu. Ti le afred go ke fo. No yi ti o re e agbe. So Ghana Pania, anyone China where I want to
Mabili ma jo we go be fo. To pa dire we fideli si Maduba o kage le na mo yi. To pa no na o na ba we e hu le na mo ma be yo. So I then go na my say na ya mo yi. Because when I know when I do matter, so lo yaro ati nyegbe ati do say ati say give I no man always say when I for man I say when something like so man I get na am mama dey there no am home job I am on level. So I don't know school na ya pe na ya ma ro pa ma e ke be na ba pe na we na ya mu yi ko ya e bo ma ri ya we ma so it be ni ma ne ko ma mo ko be ya mu yi
Anyway, what we total? What we go get it? You go get the community. You get for ya mun Abuja. Only thing my mama you for my mama care for me. So mama will know we my age. Don't know we age. Oga tell us why. When my boy my in Abuja, Makagwa Yemeni. If you are Bamasumu, oh, no, by here. No more can I put it. Mamma, your York, I will be my age. Mamma, put all this back here. That's it.
My name is Sunday Immanuel. Sunday Osakpamwan. That's my name. Let me culture. Even though I was Osakpamwan. Sunday. I was born in August 1st, 1956. So, taking 1 year, 2021. I was almost 20 years when I made a trip from Cabarina, where I go and bring the settle in the year. I also gave them writing the father now, and to where I said there, where it's beside him. So, but when they I was number 4 to the last hotel. Then the hotel said if he died, I could be the next hotel. Because I was born and brought up here. and the mice already is for that and me my head. We should not be paying account with it from where I from. So come out guy in the age of about 25 years. He told everybody and the rest of them. So when he said that he was not born in this village, he cannot from here, from the Nikiwa. Then from a better. So when they came now, he started using the interest in this society to oppress me from the title of the hotel to be directed. The rest of the so after doing all this, one collected someone land with 50,000. Collected someone with 50,000. They have been oppressing us to our property. So Islam is looking for at all. But not only believe upon that. I think because it has the children saying on the required before you run into this to see because of what you said, so I told my father because I'm going against this audio relationship that and it's not for me. It's not the
November.
Yes.
I think it was the 15th. My name is one with Felix, the Okaidele of the community. Yes. What happened on the 15th November? I think we invited to Abuja on an interview based on what happened in the court. I went on the 28th of September. So we went to that court, and I think there was a matter pending on that court whereby the judge asked one of the suspects to bring one of his brother, and they all came to our community to destroy our community. So really that day, the man came. So after the people of that court that day, and they now living, the people came from Abuja, now met one of the boys and said, we are coming from Abuja. Now told the boy inside the car and he told the boy, the next thing, the senior brother, which is the main suspect, now eat up the man and beat up that man. After beating the man, he would shot the chair, scatter his sword, did so much that day. So later on, nothing man told him in that day. So the policeman question now to KCID, let the CP, told the CP what happened. The CP now said, okay, that is why I'm getting the man arrested, and this is a crack team. And when they came, the man managed to escape with the prison vehicle. After going, later on, did everything. After doing everything, we now left. So later on, we called from the guy in Abuja. I should come and testify and tell the DID what happened. Really, we went there. So getting there that on Wednesday, went to Abuja on Wednesday, which is the tip. Getting there, the CP then asked us, okay, what happened? We told him everything. I said, okay, what is going to happen? He said we should write statement So I was not wondering that what are we writing statement for? Are we not you call us that to come and testify as a witness? Why you ask us to write witness? Even I even told the policeman all these things that you are doing, they have to come to so the CP refused to hear us. That's not correct. Even including the policeman that was beating, even out there, two of them who came from Abuja to give that thing to write statements. After writing statement, the man now asked us to, he now said that you are detained, that the GID said they should detain us. How come? So really, they kept up himself for 5 days without even throwing off in petition. So from there, we now in that cell to 5 days. Then later on, now take us to court on the Monday. Start taking us to court. Like I'm going to do it, the judge or the one that was paid. So the most purpose was like, I now saw the man who called supposed to be our John Way, came to that first CID with these same people and his portrayal Zebu, came there with his son. He came there to come and be giving false accusations against us. So came to be giving false accusations against us, calling all different names, calling all different things. So that's why when I came back, I have to tell all the elders and people was in committee. Now what happened with what Mr. Ogefo came to do in Abuja. So that's why I told my people and that's so when we were there anyway, when we were there.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.